by Kate Fletcher. Today's video is an unboxing video for Beebeecrafts, and I'm so excited to bring you this video. This is a video that, had you told me at the beginning of the year I would be doing, I don't think I'd have believed you. Basically what's happened, Beebeecrafts has put out a call to YouTubers, and in particular crafting YouTubers, and you only need 100 subscribers to be eligible for their scheme. And then what you do is you contact them and you send them the details of your channel, and they basically let you choose products off their site to try for free, and they post them to you free, and then all you have to do is show them on your channel and use them and enjoy them. So that's what I have done, and you may have seen other videos because I know people have signed up. So Cards by Christine doing it. Who else is doing it? Laura's doing it, Mrs. Stationery and stuff. Crafty Mama Paper Crafts is doing it. There's loads of us. We've signed up and we're supporting this scheme. So I received my package today. There has been a slight delay, but the customer service I received from Beebeecrafts has been amazing. Before I even realised there was an issue with my package, they had resent it and got a new tracking number ready, so that when I said there was an issue, they were like, yep, no problem, it's been resent, here's the details. So I am going to jump straight into this and show you what I have got from Beebeecrafts. All the links for the products, for Beebeecrafts, for their sign up program, everything will be in the description box of this video, so it's nice and easy for you to follow. So let me show you what I have received. So one of the first things I picked was this, so let me just grab it out to show you. So I'm sorry, there's glare off the light. This is basically heat shrink plastic. So this side is more smooth, and as you can see there's not so much glare from the light, and then I turn it over and you get the reflection from the light because this is the plastic, and this is heat shrink plastic. So I already know, believe it or not, what I want to do with this. And you get loads. I don't know, look how many sheets are there. There's a really generous amount there, and it came in this wonderful bag. And actually I have to say the whole package was really well packaged. Loads of bubble wrap, nothing's been broken. Fabulous packaging to make sure that it gets to you okay. So I got the heat shrink plastic. The challenge group I am on Facebook actually did a challenge involving this heat shrink plastic a little while ago. So when I've had a little practice, I'm going to bring you a video showing you like what to do with this. It's absolutely fabulous. You're going to absolutely love it, and I'm so excited that I have this to play with now. Then the next thing I chose, now I was so excited for this, I can't even tell you. I've got a kit, and what this is, it's a wax seal kit. So what you get these beautiful, look at all these colours. These are the wax melts. I love the star design. And look at all the gorgeous colours. They are going to be so fun to use, and you get loads in here. Then they send you the tea lights. So there's 4 tea lights there, so you can melt your wax. Then you get the little spoon, so the wax will go in here for melting. You get some tweezers, which I'm not really sure what they're for. I'm guessing you just pick up the wax and pop them in with that when the thing's hot, but I'll see as I play. And then you also get all of these envelopes. Look at those. There's 2 of each. So you get 2 orange, 2 kind of pale green, 2 blue, 2 yellow, 2 light blue, 2 red, 2 craft card, 2 vivid yellow, 2 lilac, and 2 black. so they'll be great for practicing on. But I have wanted one of these kits for a long time, and when I saw it on the site I was just like, yes, I am having that, and I am so excited to be able to play with this and to show you all the fun things you can do with the wax and the seals. I have been sent some seals, like pre-done ones from another crafter, because she knew I didn't have a wax seal kit, and they are beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to playing with the colours and like seeing how many of each of these stars you need per one. So really excited that I have this kit here. And then because I have the kit, obviously I needed some seals, so I actually picked up 2 off the site. They came packaged in these little boxes, and they're really cute. Now these are actually really heavy, so they're really good quality. I honestly didn't know what to expect, and I've not had anything like this before, but they're quite heavy. And I have got one with a maple leaf because I thought that was a good unisex type design to go for. You can use it for most cards, and I've got a real thing about this shaped leaf at the moment. I don't know why. I know we're coming into autumn and I'm doing autumnal crafting, but I don't know, I just really have got a thing for that leaf. And then the other one I got is one that says with love, because I figured that is an all year round type thing that you can use, and again it's unisex. It can go on male cards, female cards, doesn't really matter. But honestly, these are quite heavy. I know they need to be because they need to make an impression, but I'm really impressed with the quality and the workmanship involved. There were several different types on the site. They had loads, and they also had different styles on like the handle, I think. So I've just got these ones, but yeah, super excited to start using these, and I will definitely be doing some videos showing you my experiments with these and what I get up to. So that is everything that I have received from Beebeecrafts. I will be doing a further 2 more videos at least on these products. I'll probably do them separately, so you have one on the wax seal kit and one on the heat shrink plastic. What do you think of the products I picked? Do you like them? Have you got them? Have you tried them? Are you interested to see what they do? If you're a member, how have you found the experience so far? I'd love to know. I've really enjoyed seeing everybody else's videos, and I'm really excited that I now get to join in with the videos and show you like what I've got and what I do with it all. So yeah, that is everything I've received. I really would like to thank Beebeecrafts for letting me join your YouTube program and for sending me these beautiful products. I can't even tell you what it means to me. I'm so thrilled to be on this program and joining in with this. So thank you so much for letting me have this opportunity. As I said before, everything will be linked in the description box of this video, and I will put some more video ups very soon of crafting with these products. So keep your eyes peeled for future videos with these products. I'll be back soon with even more videos. Thanks so much for watching today. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.